Hi, to measure skin temperature on Google Pixel Watch Free, firstly, you need to make sure that you downloaded this Fitbit app on your phone and connected your watch to it. Now, we need to press this crown on the watch to open list of apps. And here scroll a bit down to find Fitbit Today. If you cannot find it here, then go in Play Store, tap on the search bar right here, and use either voice input or keyboard to see or type Fitbit. Fitbit. Now tap to search for this app. Wait a few seconds, and here it is. You need to install it. As you can see, mine is already downloaded. So we can go back in apps list, go in Fitbit Today, and here scroll a bit down till we can see this tab skin temperature variation. If we tap it, we'll see that in my case, I need to actually wear the watch 3 more times to sleep. So you can also scroll a bit down and choose to open on phone. And then the same setting will be opened on your phone where you can check all of the results, all of the data for the week, month, 3 months, year, and so on. And also from skin temperature change, you can switch to core temperature changed. And you can even tap on plus and manually enter its data. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.